Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to translate any post on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application. Now as you see, you are on the discover page. So for example, this post, so you go to this 3 points, and here and up here you will find translate. Just click on it. That's it. That's how to translate any sentence or any post on Bluesky easy and quickly. And that's it. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.